Chapter 6 Work, Power and Energy. First question. Define scalar or dot product of two vectors. The scalar product of two vectors A and B is defined as product of magnitudes of A and B multiplied by the cosine of the smaller angle between them. Second question. If A dot B is equal to 0, then what is the angle between A and B? Yes, answer is 90 degree. If A dot B is equal to AB, then what is the angle between A and B? Yes, answer is 0 degree. Mention the expression for work done by a force in vector form. W is equal to vector F dot vector D. D andre displacement, F andre force. Define work done by the force. So the work is said to be done when the applied force displaced a body through a certain distance, through a certain displacement in the direction of applied force. When does the work done by the force is 0? When theta is 90 degree. Andre angle between force and displacement should be 90 degree. Define work energy theorem. Work done by a force on a body is equal to change in kinetic energy of the body. Mention the dimensions of work done. M raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2. Is work scalar or vector? Yes, it is a scalar. Express joule in calorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. What is the nature of work done by the frictional force? Non-conservative force. What does the area under force displacement curve represents? Work. Define potential energy. The potential energy may be defined as it is the energy virtue of its position. Question number 14. Can potential energy of an object be negative? Answer is no. Write the expression for the potential energy stored in a spring. U equal to 1 upon 2 k x square, where k is spring constant. What is elastic collision? The collision is said to be elastic if the linear momentum and kinetic energy remains conserved. What is the value of 1 horsepower in watt? 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. What is kinetic energy? The energy which is virtue of its motion. What is the spring force? So spring force is a stored force. Spring force is the responsible for to regain its original size and shape of the spring. Write the SI unit of spring constant, Newton per meter. Whether spring force is conservative or non-conservative. It is a conservative force. What is the energy associated with 1 kg of mass? E is equal to mc square. Put m is equal to 1 and c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. You will get 9 into 10 to the power 16 joule. Define power. Rate at which work is done. What does area under the graph of force against displacement graph represent? It represents work. State principle of conservation of energy. Mechanical energy of the system remains conserved. Define power. Rate at which work is done. Write the SI unit of power. Watt. Write the dimension formula of power. M raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 3. Express joule in kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Therefore, 1 joule is equal to 1 upon 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kilowatt hour. Give an example for zero work. Particle moving in a circle with constant speed.